Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to fix yellowish screen on Samsung M35 device. Well, a yellowish screen can affect the color accuracy and display quality of your device, leading to an altered viewing experience. So, fixing the yellowish tint helps restore the screen's color balance and ensure that colors are displayed accurately. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To start, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, within the settings, navigate to the display menu and locate the eye comfort shield feature, which is designed to reduce blue light emissions from the screen for a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light conditions. Okay, so to fix yellowish screen, toggle the switch to turn it off. Disabling the eye comfort shield feature will restore the display to its standard settings without the blue light filter. This can be beneficial if you prefer the original color temperature of the screen or if you don't require the blue light reduction feature at that moment. By turning off the eye comfort shield, you can customize your device display settings to suit your preferences and needs. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix yellowish screen on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.